So let's work through the 16 squares assignment. I need to locate and download the 16 squares file, open it, and use that. So let's do that. I've already went to Schoology, and I went to that file and downloaded my 16 squares file. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and it's called 16 squares, and here it is. All right, because here we have 16 individual little boxes that we're going to put a photo in and edit. So it says to use a photo that you use for your face assignment. So I'm going to open that picture. I have to rotate it counterclockwise. I'll select all, edit, copy, close that down and go edit and paste. And it's too big for that square, so I'll make my screen bigger. I'll use the edit free transform to shrink my face down. I want to fit just inside there, so I'm going to zoom in. Let's go magnifying glass, yes. I'm going to zoom in to there. That's a great photo. Take my face, edit, free transform. Let's shrink it down a bit more. So it just kind of fits inside that little box. May not be perfect, but it'll be close. And I'll say yes to it. So here I have over here, my background is all the squares. This, I'm going to rename it. Where's my rename option? Rename. I don't see it. I click it twice, maybe there it goes. Click it twice. I'm going to call it 1 for box 1. Okay. Can I right click and go duplicate? So now I have 2 of them. Where is it at? They're stacked. Slide one over. Arc it. This one, see how it's blue? This is my current one. I'm going to double click and go number 2 for that one. And then right click and duplicate. And just for all 16 of them, I want 16 pictures in that. So do all 16. When all 16 are done, the sheet says, okay, photo 1, change appearance of the photo by adjusting the brightness contrast settings. So I'm going to go up here and find, up here somewhere, you're going to find brightness contrast. Not there, not in there, not in here. There it is, brightness contrast. Make sure you're on photo 1. So I pick photo 1, so it's blue, so it's current. I'm going to adjust the brightness contrast, and kind of don't just do a quick click, move, and on go. Just try it. Take away brightness, what happens? Add brightness, what happens? So brightness does what? So watch the photo change and kind of learn what brightness does for the photo. Okay, 0 is beginning again. What does contrast do? Take away contrast, add contrast. So find the right level to make your photo look, I suppose, better, we'll call it. Okay? And then when you're happy with that appearance, hit OK. Then move on. Next one says, in photo 2, change appearance of the photo by adjusting the levels setting. Level setting. So I go to photo 2. I got to find the levels. Here they are. And kind of how they work is you're controlling the shades of black, the shades of gray, and the shades of white. So how much of the level white do I want? Grays do I want? Blacks do I want? I can do an overall slider to increase the levels of whites or not, or individual ones. I can have the levels of whites be higher, grays be a little less, increase the blacks. So you can kind of make the photo look a whole lot better or fancier by some simple quick edits. A lot of this in your cell phone, you can do a selfie of yourself. You can pick some preset photo alterations. That's all they are. someone came in and found a level that they like, they copy the settings, put it on your phone, and there it is. So that one's done. I got a photo number 3. 3 says to change appearance by posterized settings. Posterized settings. So again, look for the posterized settings. Make sure I'm on 3. I go to posterize. And here I have 4 levels of posterization. What does 3 give me? What does 25 give me? So 50 looks kind of like the normal picture. So what it's doing is taking and having me only use 11 different color shades in my picture. So some up here, the whites go from like white to dark. Now it's like blocking off, chunking them up. So the less levels you have of posterization, the more the picture has fewer color options. Okay, so work through all 16 of these. When you're done, we'll do a screenshot and add it for your grading, I think. Let's look. Done, 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 done. Yes. Place a completed image here. Completed. Place your completed. Place a screenshot of your image here. How's that? All right. Hey, good luck.